So this week has been a very slow week, and coming into today, we can see that price is rejecting higher prices, and we've been just doing that, wicking up, wicking down, literally for the whole week, really. We haven't got any news today, and there isn't any POIs either. We're just in this sideways price action, and this is the time where just got to sit on your hands and wait for direction and wait for the best setup. So we are waiting for that pullback. Like, there is a POI here, but it just hasn't done enough to trade from this POI. We've pushed down this low, but the previous breaker structure was here. This is the low here. So until it breaks this low, I'm not looking to get into any trades. Selling at this POI is just it just doesn't look good for me. I personally wouldn't be taking a sell trade there. I'm not going to just get into trades for the sake of it. If you're just looking at the 30-minute at that area, like, you'd think it looks good. Like, you think, yeah, that looks like it's good structure. But moving on to the daily time frame, you can just see that is not good. And it just takes zooming out and looking at the bigger picture just to make sure that you're trading like in the right headspace, right mindset. And if I take a trade here and it loses, would I be annoyed? And I would be. It's not clear. It's not clean. 30-minute might look clean, but when you zoom out and actually look at the bigger picture, it's not clean at all. We are in sideways price action. We're consolidating. Price doesn't know if it should be going higher or are we going to do that pullback. So I'm waiting for a solid daily push. We did have one on Wednesday, but then price just pushed back up, pushed out. Yesterday's daily is pretty much a doji, so indecisive. Most candles have been indecisive this week. Monday, doji. Tuesday, doji. Wednesday was more of a shooting star. It was more bearish, but then Thursday, doji, and now Friday. I'm not looking to trade today. It's not, unless we get a push out and a POI and a mitigation, which I don't think we're going to get. These trades take a couple days to develop, and we're in the phase that it's in. We're waiting for phase A pullbacks to start. So yeah, it's been the same pretty much every week, but it's important to remember to wait for the best setups. No point just trading for the sake of it. Knowing when to stay out of the market and knowing when to get into the market. So yeah, that's it for GER40 today.